This video is for foreigners who are living in Vietnam as an investor or running a business or work in Vietnam. I know some of foreigners who have legal issues, for example, business dispute, contract dispute, labor contract dispute, family dispute, and so on. I want to give you some example. For example, if the employer and employee have dispute about the labor contract, such as the termination contract by one party, by the employer or the employee, or if the employer deduct any salary when the employee have any mistake or didn't comply with the company regulation. Honestly, the deduction salary is totally wrong, and the labor law didn't have this regulation. The employer needs to have a clearly regulation and labor contract to regulate a violation and the penalty for the violation, but they cannot deduct the salary. So if you have any issue with your employer, please just read the labor contract again very clearly and compare with the labor law. Then you can come up with some idea to protect yourself, or you can even contact the lawyer who can review the contract for you before you sign it or when you have the legal issue. Another example for the business contract between the company and the vendor, you need to take care of the contract with some regulation related to the termination the termination item, the contract duration, and other rights and obligation for both parties. It's very important to take note about the penalties as well and compensations. So just context. I think before having the legal issues, you should have a lawyer who can review the legal document before you sign any legal document. This way will reduce your risk, and I hope that foreigners who are living in Vietnam will feel confident to do everything, because some of the foreigners, when they got the issue, then they feel very cautious with other person, even with the lawyer, but the lawyer is coming support you. So in order to cautious and very worry with the lawyer, why don't you contact with the lawyer in advance and prepare everything in advance for you to confident to live, work, and run a business in Vietnam. I am Huê Trương. I'm a lawyer and I have almost 9 years experience to practice law in Vietnam. So if you have any question about the Vietnamese law, about Vietnamese legal cases, just let me know and I am happy to support you. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you have a great day.